guys, for today's video guys, we will be discussing the top 5 finds in the bulk. And as you know guys, I've been searching a lot of bulks lately, and I'm checking one by one which are the top 5s day by day. So for today's video guys, we'll be discussing top 5 artifact that I found. This one is common and uncommon cards that I find guys in our box. So without further ado, let's start. So first of all guys, is 1 mana green, 1 green mana glow cap lantern. So this one is an artifact equipment. So this one is very nice guys because it equipped creature has, you may look at the top of the card of your library anytime. So this ability, you can look at the top of the library anytime, and whenever this creature attack, it explores. So reveal the top card of your library and put that card in your hand. So you can reveal the top card in your library and you can put that in your hand. And if you don't want to do that, there's another option. You can add +1/+1 counter on that creature as well. So it's either you took the top card in the library or you put counter +1/+1. So this was very good card for 1 mana. Very nice. You need to have that. So second is the Deconstruction Hammer. So this Deconstruction Hammer is 1 white mana. This one is an artifact equipment. So if you equip this to the creature will get +1/+1. But if you use 3 more mana, okay, you can sacrifice this Deconstruction Hammer. And after you sacrifice this, you can destroy target artifact or enchantment. This one is very good card, guys. If you want to destroy some enchantments or artifact on your opponent's side, you need to have this Deconstruction Hammer. Very nice card. Okay, next is the Hunter's Blowgun. I think this is my most favorite card in all of these 5 because this one is only just 1 mana. Artifact equipment, and then the equipped creature will get +1/+1. And other than that guys, this one, the equipped creature will have Death Touch as long as it's your turn. And if it's not your turn, for example it's your opponent's turn, then your creature will have Reach. So imagine that guys. So if you have Reach guys, so the flying creature of the opponent's side, you can defend from that creature. Very nice. And of course the Death Touch is really OP. Really OP skill. For example, you have a creature 1/1 attack and defense. Then if the creature attack to any opponent with high defense, then that creature will still die because of the Death Touch ability. Very nice Hunter's Blowgun. You need to have this. And of course for our 4th card is a Visage of Dread. So this one is a 2 mana artifact, one colorless, 1 black. Okay, so when Visage of Dread enters the battlefield, target opponents reveal their hands. Okay, so all of the opponent will reveal their hands, and then you can choose any artifact or creature from their hands, and you can discard that card. So this one is a very nice one, guys. If you want to discard any card from your opponent, and if you want to check all of their cards in their hands, so this is the best card to do that. So Visage of Dread, this was a really OP. It's available in our Shopee shop guys. All of these things that I'm mentioning here is all available in our Shopee shop. Please visit guys. Daily Dose of Magic. Please guys, I put that in the description below. Please comment also your thoughts about all of the cards that we're discussing, and hopefully you are learning as well, and you are liking the cards that I'm showing you guys. So among of these 5 cards, I think this is one of my most favorite, the Oteklan Landmark. So this one is one mana artifact, 1 white mana artifact. When Oteklan Landmark enters the battlefield, okay, you can scry 2. So scry means you can check the 2 topmost card in your library, and then you can put that in your hand, or you can put that in the lowest part of the library. So it's also when you crop this artifact guys, you need to pay 3 mana. Okay, so 2 colorless and 1 white. After that, exile this artifact, so it will be exiled, and then it will return to your hand as the Oteklan Levitator. So this one is a very nice artifact creature golem. So this one has a 1 attack and 4 defense. So this one is a golem guys, but it has a flying ability. So this is the one of the best ability of this. It has a flying ability. So whenever Oteklan Levitator attacks, target attacking creature without flying gains flying until end of turn. So when this creature attack, you can also okay, you can also select 1 creature guys without flying, and it will gain flying until end of turn. So it's very OP card. It can help you defense and also on the attack. So if the creature have flying, guys, so you can directly hit the opponent. For example, if they don't have reach ability or if their creature has no flying as well. Otherwise, if they have flying and if they have reach, then they can defend themselves. So it's very nice card, guys. Share me your thoughts about this top 5 finds for today. And yeah, if you have anything, if you have some top common and uncommon cards in your decks, please let us know, so we will maybe we have here and then we can review that card as well. That's all for today's video, guys. God bless. Please subscribe. Sorry for my flu, and thank you so much, guys. God bless.